Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger Select account problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Messenger. Okay, and if you find an update, you need to update your Messenger. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings, and then you need to go into the app management, and then you need to go into the app list and search your Messenger like I am doing. Okay, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage and click on OK. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the permissions and allow all permissions like this. Once you've done that, so let me do it first. Okay, once you've done that, you simply need to go back and turn off your smartphone and turn on again and log in into your Messenger account. And then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left and click on switch account, and here you can easily switch account. So this is a process by which you can fix Messenger account problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.